You're grounded.
Okay Martin, it is Bonfire Night, and we will be going to the fireworks show later tonight.
And we expect you to be on your best behavior. Because if not, you will be grounded. Understand?
Okay. I will behave tonight.
Good. That's what we like to hear. Now let's get going.
Okay, I'll be there in a second. Now that they are off to the car, I can now say that I am going to do something extremely bad to the fireworks so everyone will think that Bonfire Night is cancelled. Ha 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 ha.
Come on Martin. Hurry up and get in the car. We don't want to miss the fireworks.
Coming Mom.
I can't wait to see the Bonfire Night fireworks.
Attention everyone. The Bonfire Night fireworks will start in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ha 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 ha. Take this naughty people. Bonfire Night is now over. Bonfire Night is cancelled. Now get your butts out of here, idiots.
Martin, what the heck is wrong with you? How dare you ruin Bonfire Night by playing the Go Animate poop sound? That was the worst thing I've ever seen. That's it. Let's go home right now. You are in big trouble. Martin, we can't believe you ruined the fireworks show this year.
Yeah. What you did was unacceptable.
And for this, you are grounded until December begins. Go to your room now.
That's all, folks.
And thanks for watching. See you next time.